One of those featured artists was a relative newcomer from Norway named Richard Larson. His images absolutely blew me away, especially his night shots, which had incredible clarity and dynamic range. He was shooting with a Sony mirrorless camera. At the time, I was still using a Canon Rebel with a crop frame sensor, seeing his work was the push I needed. I bought my Sony a7RIII and immediately saw the advantages of a full frame camera with high dynamic range. The new camera changed my workflow dramatically from day one. I used to have a habit of taking a series of shots and stitching them together just to get high resolution images. My Sony could capture it in a single shot. I also quickly learned that it had exceptional low light performance. For example, this shot of the Gold King mine shaft was taken on a tripod using just ambient light and then edited in Photoshop to reveal these amazing details. It wasn't long before I moved on to capturing the moon, stars, and moonlight. It took a little hands-on experience to fully appreciate the mechanics of a mirrorless system, because there is no mirror swinging out of the way and no physical shutter popping open and closed. Camera shake is completely eliminated. You can fire off a series of images in the blink of an eye. With my old Canon, I shot 95% of my images on a tripod with a remote release, and I still had stability issues in the wind. Now, I rarely use a tripod. I can actually shoot HDR landscapes handheld. With auto ISO and a shutter speed of 1/1000th, a 5-frame HDR takes barely more than 1/200th of a second to shoot. That exact same speed makes wildlife photography an absolute joy. It is so easy to capture sudden, unexpected movements, even when the light is low. I never could have captured this territorial dispute with this level of clarity and detail using my old camera. Years ago, I used to lug around a 35 to 40 pound backpack filled with different lenses and tripod options. Sometimes I even wore a photography vest with dozens of pockets that constantly challenged my memory just to find my gear. Today, I carry one lightweight camera with either a wide angle or telephoto lens. The only time I ever bring out a tripod now is for the night sky. To dive deeper, click the link in the description for my books page on my website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep it simple.